Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you will be fine. Now today I am going to deliver the lecture number 20 of English for class nursery, and the topic of the lecture is phonic AB. What is a phonic method and why we use this method for Montessori? Okay, for this I will discuss a graph in front of you. Yes, here you can see a graph. In Montessori, we deal with three subjects: English, Urdu and Maths. Okay, now today I will talk about English subject today. Now in English subject we learn about the letters, and it has two parts: reading and writing. Today I will discuss this part in front of you. In English subject we use phonic method for reading, and it has two parts: sounds plus blending. When we want to read out any word, we will use this phonic method for reading. So let's take a start for the lecture. Today I will read out the page number 22. Okay, yes, here you can see this page. Yes, here I have three families for phonic practice. Okay, now today I will read out the first family in front of you. So yes, the first family is AB. 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 Okay, now the first word. Okay ji, how we will read this word with the help of phonic method? So first of all I will read out the sounds of these letters separately. Okay, like yes, k, a, b. Yes, now we will blend these sounds for read out this word. So cab. Yes, cab. The word is k, a, b. Cab. Cab. Yes, the meaning of cab is a taxi. Okay, now the second word. Yes, I will read out the second word with the help of phonic method. Okay, now first, yes, I will read out the sound of these letters. Okay, D, A, B. Okay, now we will use blending method for read out this word. Okay, now dab. D, A, B. Dab. Yes, the meaning of dab is to press something lightly. To press something lightly. This is called dab. Okay, now come to the next word. Yes. Okay, now G, A, B. Yes, gab. G, A, B. Gab. The meaning of gab is an ability to speak with fluency. This is gab. Okay, now next word. Yes, for next word I will read out the sounds of these letters one by one. Okay, now yes, U, A, B. Okay, now I will use blending method for read out this word. Okay, now U, A, B. Lab. This is lab. Okay, the meaning of lab is yes, a workplace for the science research. This is called lab. Okay, now come to the next word. Okay, now I will read out this word in front of you with the help of phonic method. So first, N, A, B. Yes, N, A, B. Nab. nab. This is nab. Now the meaning of nab is to steal something. Okay. Again, yes. K-a-b, cab. Now, d-a-b, dab. G-a-b, gab. L-a-b, lab. N-a-b, nab. Okay. Today we have learnt about ab family with the help of phonic method. I hope you have understood all the points. We will meet again with the next lecture, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you very much.